So, in today's video, we're going to be racing here, A1 Racing Club, which is... Actually, I've kind of lost track where we are at the moment. I'm sure I'll include it in the description. But we've come here. I'll give a good view to see where it is that we are. So, A1 Racing Club is an outdoor off-road radio control racing track, and down the advantage stuck on the barriers. So, there's podiums here. It's actually my first time here. It's actually an hour drive from where my cousin Jim lives. So, we got a red one.
Yeah.
So there's his Typhoon and Strada, driven by Georgie. Here we've got Dad with his Strada XT, which he's got a touring car body on. And here we have the two that I'm using. My Tamiya Plasma Edge and my Traxxas Wrestler. Really my first time properly driving this thing. It should be fine for... it shouldn't be that much. And also you may notice that my antenna broke just as we were leaving. But there were no biggie. So for the Wrestler, actually I do have... I'm about to steal my toolbox because of how windy it is. So I've actually got this finally. So I got this as part of a Secret Santa we did on Boxing Day yesterday. It is a FlySky FS GT3B, which I've had my toolbox. Right, I've got to pray that these two don't blow them on in the wind. I've got to probably have to stick them on the floor like I've done with my toolbox. Anyway, so yeah, I got this as part of Secret Santa yesterday. Because I've got a FlySky receiver in the Wrestler, so I've got the programmer sorted, so I'm able to use it with this. So I'm going to try out this. My T-Show 2, which is the Plasma Edge 2, that I'll be giving a race later on, but I want to give this a run first to make sure it's still working. Actually, it's quite windy, so I'm just going to put that on the... I'll put that there. Actually, maybe up against the wall where it's not so much windy. But anyway, kicking this off. Going to film it for a little bit before test driving this out. So the only downer I've really found with the GT3B is I can't drive and film at the same time. I should have brought the GoPro head mount, but I just didn't think to bring it anyway. The Wrestler is kind of cutting out for some stupid reason, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's an issue with the ESC, but it was fine, but until I got here, just driving it around for a little bit, actually. And it's stuck.
got spares. The other time I got then, parked that for a bit while that. Because of the settings on the speed controller, mine might have gone into limb. Just park it, hang on.
That's the steering rack, so it wouldn't fucking just turn.
My gloves in there, Matt.
Alright, so after that, we have had a very, very good run. The Rustler couldn't get that going. I think that might be an ESC issue. The Plasma Edge right there ran phenomenally. It was very, very good today. And how much water there is out on the track. It's been a very, very good run. I definitely want to come back here in the spring or the summer and do this content again. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. Had so much